Hi Chargers, and welcome to 6th grade science. In this video I'm just going to go over a few things that you'll need to know about our Canvas course this year. One of the most important things that you'll need to look at is the module section of the course. This is where I will post all of the notes and all of the information that you need to know whether you are taking the class online or coming to school each day. There will be a different page for each day of the week, and on those pages you will find the activities that you need to do. For example, on this day, there's some videos that you'll need to watch. If you're coming to school, you'll watch them in class. If you're online, you're going to log in and watch them on here. Anytime you see a check mark like this, that means you have a grade that's going to go in the grade book on that day. So that's an important thing to look for. Another thing that you're going to have to do in modules is take quizzes and tests if you are taking the class online from home. So for example, this will be your first quiz that you will have to take. Now, I have it published right now, but when you log in, you will not see it until the day of the quiz. If you are taking the class in school, you'll be taking the quizzes at school. But if you get sick and you go home, you can always access them from here. And then again, online students, you will always take your quizzes and tests in Canvas. Another important thing that you need to know to look at is the calendar. Now the calendar for you guys is going to show dates from all of your classes. So it will have social studies, math, science, ELAR, everything on there. It's going to look a little bit different for you. But what I'm going to do is put any grade that you're going to have on this calendar. So if you're looking ahead, planning ahead, this is a good place to look. It will be color-coded by the classes, so depending on how yours looks, you'll have a different color for each class, and it will help you keep track of your assignments that are coming up. And then the last thing that you need to pay attention to is the announcements section. That will be available in every class that you have in Canvas, and I will be posting important things there, so that's a good place to start off each day just to make sure you're not missing anything. And that's it. It's pretty easy. I know you guys are going to do great. There's a lot of resources on here for you, and if you ever need anything, you can always email me, and if you are in class, you can always ask questions, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.